Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Do you want to learn how to blur a part of a video in CapCut? Don't worry because you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly add blur to a part of your video. You just need to follow my instructions carefully. In this tutorial, let's say I wanted to blur the text that's in the video. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that the video is not selected. Then, in the bottom, look for the effects and select it. Then you'll see video effects, body effects, and such. For now, we'll go to video effects and then search blur in the search bar. Select this girl in the silhouette icon for blur, and then press cancel, and then press this check icon on the left side. So you'll see this main blur was added in your timeline. Remember that the blur effect should only go as far as the end point of this bar. If you need the blur effect to extend to the end of the video or clip, make sure to drag the end point of the bar to match the end of the video. However, for this video, we'll only apply the blur effect up to the middle of the video. Now, select the video in the timeline and then at the bottom, look for duplicate and select it. So, as you can see, the video was duplicated, and now select the duplicated video. And once again, at the bottom, look for the overlay option and select it. Click and hold on the overlay and drag it to the same time of the original clip so that they both play at the same time. Select the overlaid video and at the bottom, look for the option mask and select it. You'll see the options: horizontal, mirror, circle, and such. You can choose whatever you think will suit in Ute video, but for this video, I'll go select the rectangle. In the bottom left, you'll see an invert. In this video, I want the inside of the rectangle to be blur and the outside to be clear, so I'll just click the invert, and if I want the outside to be blur and the inside of the rectangle to be clear, then I'll just press the invert. But for now, I just want the inside of the rectangle to be blurred and adjust it. So as you can see that the text in the video was also moving, so we also need to move the rectangle. We can do that through keyframes. At the top of the timeline, beside the undo, you'll see a diamond shape, and that's the keyframe. Just move the clip where the movement of the video started and click the keyframe, and then move the clip and adjust the blur. Remember that every time the text moves, you just need to click the keyframe and adjust it. Once you're done, just click on the check below, and you'll see that the blur moves with the text. And that's it. You can now blur the things you wanted to blur in your video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so now for more helpful tutorials and tech tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.